As the lights of Diwali illuminate every corner of India, we ignite a spark of innovation and learning. Connect, code, collaborate, create, innovate. DevFest 2024, Coimbatore, shaping a future we can trust. Explore the future of responsible AI, ethical tech, and sustainable solutions. Join us on December 7th at Dr. N.G.P. Arts and Science College in Coimbatore. DevFest Coimbatore features 3 diverse tracks, with 20 insightful sessions led by 19 inspiring speakers. And that's not all. We're excited to offer an exclusive Tamil track, making DevFest accessible to an even wider audience. Learn from experts representing dynamic startups, leading global organizations, renowned Google developer experts, and visionary founders. And connect with our amazing sponsors, Augment, N.G.P, Coven Labs, Minari Labs, Steam A, Wavical, and Yon, and meet their teams. To secure your spot and to avail early bird discounts, visit devfest24.gdgcbe.com to register now. DevFest 2024. Be a part of the change.